How to get rid of erection dysfunction and be a Superman again naturally. Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you the best solution to get rid of erection dysfunction and be a Superman again naturally. But before we dive into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Getting an erection isn't as simple as it seems. In order to get and maintain an erection, your hormones, blood vessels, mental health, and nerves all need to cooperate. Even if just one element is out of whack, you may start to have trouble staying hard. It's estimated that more than 30 million men in the United States have erectile dysfunction, or ED, the persistent inability to get and maintain an erection firm enough for sex, according to the Endocrine Society. ED can be caused by a combination of physical ailments and psychological factors, like cardiovascular disease or performance anxiety. Around 26% of men aged 40 or under had ED. In a study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine, once you hit 50, you are up to 67% likely to develop erectile dysfunction. According to some research, the increased erectile dysfunction risk with age may be due to conditions like low testosterone, diabetes, and high blood pressure. In this video, we will explore the basics of this common condition that affects many men worldwide. Erection dysfunction refers to the inability to achieve or maintain an erection firm enough for sexual intercourse. It can be a temporary or chronic issue, and it can have various underlying causes. Understanding the basics of erection dysfunction is crucial in order to address and overcome this condition effectively. So, let's dive into the details and gain a better understanding of what causes this frustrating problem. Now that we have a better understanding of erection dysfunction, let's explore the common causes and risk factors associated with this condition. Erection dysfunction can be caused by both physical and psychological factors. Some common physical causes include cardiovascular disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, and hormonal imbalances. Psychological factors you should avoid such as 1. Avoid stress, anxiety, depression. Mental health conditions like stress and anxiety can also affect how your brain signals your body's physical response. In the case of an erection, stress and anxiety can interrupt how your brain sends messages to the penis to allow extra blood flow. 2. Avoid smoking. If you smoke and you're concerned about erectile dysfunction, ED, there's no better time to quit than now. Men who smoke are about twice as likely to develop ED as non-smokers. Smoking hampers circulation to all areas of the body, including the genitals, making it tougher to get and keep an erection. 3. Avoid too much alcohol consumption. Alcohol reduces your sexual sensitivity. Alcohol affects your central nervous system, CNS, which plays a major role in sexual arousal and performance. It also affects your production of certain hormones that can cause erectile dysfunction. 4. Avoid lack of sleeping. Nights of restlessness lead to sluggishness during the day, irritability with relationships, and lower cognitive functioning at work. Furthermore, getting less than 8 hours of sound sleep means poorer circulation and lower levels of testosterone, leading to erectile dysfunction and relationship issues. 5. Avoid bad daily dietary. While cardiovascular disease and diabetes are the most common causes of erectile dysfunction, poor nutrition is a risk factor for both of these chronic conditions. Avoid high-sodium foods such as breads and rolls, pizza, sandwiches, burritos and tacos, savory snacks, cheese. When you indulge in salty foods, sodium pulls water into your blood vessels. This increases the volume of blood in the vessels, which can cause your blood pressure to spike. You may notice the effects of increased blood pressure, like fatigue, irregular heartbeat, and anxiety, immediately after a salty meal. Over time, high blood pressure can cause the blood vessels to permanently stretch. This can lead to artery clogging plaque that blocks blood flow, including to your penis. Any factor that stifles blood flow can increase your odds of experiencing erectile dysfunction. Avoid processed foods such as hot dogs, bacon, deli meat. Processed foods may increase inflammation and oxidative stress. Both inflammation and oxidative stress may cause erectile dysfunction, due to damage to the thin layer of cells that line your blood vessels, that play a key role in immune system regulation and inflammation. This can occur when your blood vessels don't get enough nitric oxide. If your blood vessels aren't functioning optimally, you may have trouble getting hard. Avoid trans fats and saturated fats. Trans and saturated fats damage your blood vessels by increasing your cholesterol. You have two main types of cholesterol, LDL and HDL. LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad kind, makes up the bulk of your body's cholesterol, and is associated with heart disease and stroke. Healthy LDL levels are at or under 100 mg per deciliter for most adults. HDL cholesterol, the good kind, should stay above 60 mg per deciliter. High levels of LDL cholesterol are linked with poor erectile function, because it increases the risk of other conditions, like heart disease, that lead to erectile dysfunction. Avoid excessive sugar consume. Regularly overdoing the sweet stuff can cause your blood sugar levels to stay permanently elevated, which can raise your insulin resistance and impact your ability to get an erection. When your blood sugar levels are consistently high, your pituitary gland has a hard time making adequate luteinizing hormone, LH, the hormone that sends a signal to your testicles to start making testosterone. When your LH levels are low, you may not produce enough testosterone. Erectile dysfunction is a common symptom of low testosterone, which is linked to other conditions like heart disease, diabetes and obesity. Now that we have explored the common causes and risk factors of erection dysfunction, let's dive into natural remedies and lifestyle changes that can help improve erectile function. While there are various medications available for treating erection dysfunction, many individuals prefer to explore natural alternatives first. One popular natural remedy is the use of herbal supplements and superfood dietary, such as 1. Ginseng. Several studies have observed that red ginseng is more effective than a placebo at improving erectile function. Also, red ginseng may improve sexual arousal during menopause. 2. L-arginine. L-arginine is an amino acid that helps make proteins. It also becomes the gas nitric oxide, NO, in the body. NO is important for erectile function because it helps blood vessels relax, so more oxygen-rich blood can circulate through your arteries. By widening these blood vessels, NO allows more blood to flow into the penis, resulting in stronger, firmer erections. 3. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha's amorous reputation is legendary, producing an increase in sexual desire and satisfaction in both men and women. Its extracts have the ability to stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the body. This causes a dilatation of the blood vessels that carry blood to the genitals, leading to increased sexual desire. 4. Catwaba, Erythroxylum catwaba. The name catwaba is a Guarani word that translates as, "what gives strength to the Indian." It is the Amazon's most famed and sought-after aphrodisiac, with numerous songs composed by the Tupi Indians in praise of its libido-enhancing effects and ability to treat erectile dysfunction. Containing 3 specific alkaloids believed to support libido, including yihimbe, which seems to be the most active compound, that produces a stimulatory effect on the libido of both men and women. These alkaloids are thought to enhance sexual function by stimulating the nervous system. Catwaba stimulates blood flow to the genitals, can strengthen and prolong an erection, enhances sexual excitement and is said to give more powerful orgasms. 5. Clavohuasca, Tynanthus panarensis. Clavohuasca is a traditional South American herb used as an aphrodisiac for centuries in Brazil and Peru, known to stimulate libido and treat sexual dysfunction in both men and women. In women, clavohuasca is a strong sexual stimulant and increases libido in premenopausal women. One of the ways it does this is by increasing blood flow to the pelvic area. Its libido-enhancing effects are thought to be strongest in women, peaking 3 hours after consumption. In men, clavohuasca is most effective as a remedy for erectile dysfunction and weakness of erection and is also used traditionally for relieving impotence. 6. Damiana, Ternera diffusa. especially indicated for alleviating problems of achieving and maintaining erections. Damiana also works to relieve stress and anxiety related to fears of inadequate sexual performance. Consuming the plant works to slow down the digestive tract and instead rushes oxygen to genital areas. This helps men to achieve erection much more easily and maintain it for longer periods of time. Yet another study claims that use of Damiana leads to greater sensitivity in the erogenous zones, especially the genitals, which in turn may help men to experience greater sexual pleasure. 7. Faux-T, Polygonum multiflorum. Increased fertility, sexual vigor and the ability to treat erectile dysfunction are some of the benefits to sexual health you can expect to receive from faux-T. Researchers believe these effects are due to the proven ability of this herb to raise red blood cell counts and improve circulation, meaning faux-T's power to increase blood flow to all the right places could be the key to its success in the bedroom. 8. Goji berry, Lycium barbarum. Goji berries, wolfberries, are known as the ultimate tonic for longevity. Within the Chinese medicine tradition, they are thought to nourish yin energy in the body, having a cooling and nourishing effect on the whole system. They are the perfect daily tonic for modern living, which is said to create too much heat, fire and yang energy in the body. Goji berries have been used in traditional Mongolian, Tibetan, and Chinese medicine for thousands of years. Traditionally used in China for sexual health and said to increase vitality. 9. Consuming the following superfoods: foods that are rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins, can promote blood flow and overall sexual well-being. Beet microgreens. As a general rule, beet microgreens are rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and K. They're high in vitamins A, B, D, E, and K, as well as iron, C, calcium, and protein, as do other microgreens. Beet microgreens have high potassium, magnesium, and even copper content. Kale microgreens. Kale tastes very much like romaine and leaf lettuce as a microgreen than it does when fully grown. Kale microgreens have 4 times all nutrients of adult kale, making them very nutritious. Furthermore, they stay nicely in the refrigerator, lasting approximately a week if kept dry. Peas microgreens. Because pea microgreens regenerate after harvest, they're ideal for growing in pots. This eliminates the need to replant every couple of weeks. Furthermore, they have 8 times the amount of folic acid found in bean sprouts, an essential vitamin for young females. Radish microgreens. Radishes, like broccoli, are fast-growing microgreens that may be harvested for as little as 5 days. They're also delicious, having the crisp, peppery flavor that matured radishes are known for. Furthermore, the opal or green daikon types have particularly high levels of vitamin E that aids in the prevention of cell damage. Moving on to exercise, regular physical activity has been shown to have numerous benefits for erectile function. Exercise helps improve cardiovascular health, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood flow to the penis. It also reduces stress levels and boosts testosterone production, both of which are important factors in achieving and maintaining erections. Whether it's cardio exercises like running or cycling, strength training, or even yoga, finding an exercise routine that works for you can greatly improve your sexual health. By focusing on a balanced diet and incorporating regular exercise into your lifestyle, you can take significant steps towards overcoming erection dysfunction. Now, let's move on to the next section where we will discuss mental and emotional strategies for enhancing sexual performance. In this section, we will explore the important role that mental and emotional strategies play in enhancing sexual performance. When it comes to achieving and maintaining erections, it's not just physical factors that matter. Our mental and emotional state can greatly impact our sexual experiences. Stress, anxiety, and depression can all contribute to erection difficulties. Therefore, it's crucial to address these underlying issues to reclaim your sexual confidence. One effective strategy is to practice relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing exercises or meditation. These techniques can help reduce stress levels and promote a sense of calmness during intimate moments. Additionally, communication with your partner is key. Openly discussing your desires, concerns, And expectations can foster a deeper connection and alleviate any performance-related pressure. Building trust and intimacy within your relationship can also enhance sexual satisfaction. Another important aspect is self-confidence. Positive self-image and self-esteem are vital for sexual well-being. Engaging in activities that make you feel good about yourself, such as hobbies or exercise, can boost your confidence in and out of the bedroom. Lastly, don't forget the power of foreplay. Taking time to engage in sensual activities like kissing, touching, and massaging can heighten arousal and create a more fulfilling sexual experience. By incorporating these mental and emotional strategies into your life, you can enhance your sexual performance and regain your sexual confidence. Now, let's move on to the final section where we will discuss when it's appropriate to seek professional help for erection dysfunction. While natural remedies and lifestyle changes can be effective in improving erectile function, there may come a point where seeking professional help is necessary. If you have been experiencing persistent erection difficulties for more than a few months, it's important to consult a doctor or specialist. They can help determine the underlying cause of your condition and recommend appropriate treatment options. Additionally, if you have any pre-existing health conditions, such as diabetes, heart disease, or high blood pressure, it's crucial to seek medical advice, as these conditions can contribute to erection problems. Other signs that indicate the need for professional help include sudden onset of erectile dysfunction, severe psychological distress related to sexual performance, or if your partner is also experiencing sexual difficulties. Remember, seeking professional help is not a sign of weakness, but a proactive step towards reclaiming your sexual confidence. By working with a healthcare professional, you can receive personalized guidance and support to address your specific needs. So, if you find yourself in any of these situations, don't hesitate to reach out to a doctor or specialist who specializes in sexual health. They are there to help you on your journey towards overcoming erection dysfunction and enjoying a fulfilling sex life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. The more you view our video, the better looking you will be. Your perfect beauty is our passion, and we will try our best to help you look forever young. If you like this video, please subscribe, share it with your friends and give it a like. Bye and have many nice days.